Hey guys! So, what's good YouTube? Nothing, okay. So we have this. Oh, you okay, Ray Ray? Oops. We have this dirty towel that we're going to use. We used it to wash my hair, so yeah, it's dirty. And I have my little cousin here. Say hi, Ray Ray. Hi. Say hi again.
Hi.
Okay, so let's lay this towel out and we're going to be playing with Play-Doh. Let's get into the video. Megan, get off of the towel. It's for the Play-Doh, remember? So we have our Play-Doh plate like usual. Okay. It doesn't matter how dirty I get. I think I'm ready to jump out the window. Since I used the scooper for my baby doll's hair, we can use this knife. Slingshot. He hit you? Don't quit. I'm not hitting her.
Did you see something?
I think I'm ready to jump out the window. Okay, we're gonna get this much Play-Doh, and we're gonna put it in our shader of cheese. Okay, so it could shade it. Wait, Reagan. Wait. Look, you see this? Put it in here, Reagan. Reagan, look. Look. Hold this. Hold it. Put it in here, Ray Ray. Put it in there. No. Put this in there. Ray Ray, put it in here. Put it in there.
Whoa.
Smush it down. Smush it down, Ray Ray. Smush it down. Good job. Good job, Mama. This is my favorite part, doing it with visitors. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so as you see, it's coming out. I don't know why it comes out like that, but okay. Now we're going to shred it on our pizza plate. Okay, so it looks like a block of Velveeta cheese, but it's not. We're going to just shred it since it's orange.
Blink. Blink. Well. Blink. Half. Half. Pillow. Blink a pillow.
So we have shredded it into 4 pieces. So here our 4 pieces are.
Half. Pillow.
I'm the designer. Alright, so we're going to get the rest and then mush it down there. And then turn it into that block of Velveeta cheese. As you see, we still have some left in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this piece, these pieces, with the other pieces. So we're going to mash through there. Okay? Okay. So we're going to just shred them. Let them go down the slide. What? I think I'm ready to jump out the window.
Pillow. Just pillow. We have make it up pillow.
Wait, don't smush it down yet.
Whoa, what?
So we're going to do this one just like I did the other piece. roll it. But I want to kind of roll this into like maybe a little piece, and then we just gonna smush it on the edges like that. And then like see over here, like at the upper body part right here, how it gets bigger. We want to kind of make that a little littler. We want to kind of make it flat. See how it's like that? We kind of want to make it flat.
Kind of like it. I can make it
like that. And we're just
like
gonna
that.
put, it's like a little hot dog. Wiener. A wiener dog, have y'all ever heard of that? Oh, and the sides are too. Cool. So we're gonna put it down there. And then it should. That was a little block. Well, here's how it came out, which is I don't like it. I should send it back down there, but I'm not. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I think I'm ready. I'll make that into 3 pieces. Just put that back on there. No, close. Stop, Reagan. Messing my video up. Oh, give it back. Give it back. Give it back. She gets on my.
Dang it.
You want a whooping? Do you want a whooping? Then give it here. That's why I got the top. You're not doing it no more.
Wanna wait? Dang!
You can't do it.
Yeah, only 2 kills. You're terrified.
My leg hurts. Give it here. Give it back. I just crushed her soul. Ooh. You okay? Look at the camera. Say hi. Look, right. Go right there.
Oh, snap.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Whoop. Okay. So, let's get back into the video. Okay. Because I had to pause because someone was being a crybaby. Ray, you a crybaby? See? She's being a crybaby. She don't have a problem being honest. So, that's great. So, we're going to carve some yellow out, okay? Okay. So, my knife is right there. It's not falling.
I can't do it.
You can't do it?
I think I'm doing
Jump out the window. Got it in my nose.
That's my feet.
See how this one's really fat? We want to make it like a little no. Don't add all that extra stuff. So you see how it gets to the bottom and it's really big? We want to make that a little bit. We want to make it perfect. But we want to make it a little perfect at the bottom. And we don't want it too perfect though. So when we do it, we're going to have to fold it because it's getting longer and longer as we do it. So see? And then, so we're going to bend this part. Like a snail. Ray, what you want? You want to get picked up? Hold on. I'll be right there.
Here.
I smushed the snail. I think I'm ready to jump back window.
You don't need it.
So, smash it. What, you want to go outside?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Are you going to?
Nobody's
Go outside, I
outside.
forgot.
Yeah, I can't. I'm not squeezing no more out. We're not going to do this because the last time we did it, it was a disaster, so we're not going to be doing it today. Sorry, Ray. It would have been her first time. Actually, it's her first time in this video.
Sorry.
It would have been her first time playing with automatics, but these are called, if you want to get them at Walmart, they're called, I actually got this in a, it was a, upset, actually. So, I'm going to explain to you what an upset is. An upset is where, you twist something. You keep twisting it, and then you have to hold this closed like that, and then the Play-Doh should just come straight out from these little holes right there, and then that hole. So, that's what an upset is. And then...
No, do my soap. No.
Okay.
Do my nail.
Hold up. Pull up. Drop. Hey. Today I'm going to do a dancing video for you guys.
Wait.
She messed it all up. I'm just going to put it back down. That'll be alright. I think I'm ready to check the window. Yep, that didn't turn down right. I think
No, I can't do it.
We made blocks of trees today, seems
I
like.
can't do it.
So, guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.